I want to add a welcome message to new subscribers to my newsletter. And the way to do that is simply going to Campaigns and then clicking Create Campaign. Here we choose Email and then we click on Automated. Here we have a few different options to add automated emails, but the one I'm interested in is this one, Welcome New Subscribers. And welcome message is fine as a campaign name. This is simply just for internal use. And I need to choose a list. In this case, I just have one. So I'll choose that and I will begin designing my welcome message. Okay, so this will send to all new contacts immediately after they join our list, which is exactly what we want. The from email is fine for now. And for the subject, you can always change it over here. And I actually have some text, so I just want to update this. And I'll update the preview text as well. You will now receive articles and news. And now for designing our newsletter, we'll go to Edit Design. Okay, and you can see here it just inserts a plain template. So we need to click down here and go to select our own template instead. We'll go to Save Templates, then click our own template. And this is absolutely fine. We'll just click Change Template. Okay, so remember, this is simply just to confirm that people are subscribed. So we don't really need that much content. So I'll simply just insert these two lines. And I think I will just, we don't really need the name either. So I think I'll just change this to a headline and I will just center this. And I think that is totally fine. Maybe I'll just make this a little bit of a larger text. Like that. Click Save. And I might keep this image, but the rest I will simply delete. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So I'm happy with this and I'll simply click Save and Continue. Right, so we are pretty much done with this. You can see we have all the check marks over here. So I'll click Start Sending right away. And it says here, you're about to start an automation that will send to our list, WP Explainer, and I will click Start Now. Okay, so back to campaigns. Okay, so that's it. We have set up our welcome message. And of course, I recommend you just testing it out just to make sure it works. So you can always go in and subscribe to your own list and make sure that the welcome message is received in your inbox. Did you know that this video is part of a full Mailchimp for Beginners online course? For more information, go to the link in the video description.